Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Notion APIs to power custom dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Notion APIs, first, ensure you have a Notion account. Next, navigate to the Notion developers page by visiting notion.so/my-integrations. Click on the New Integration button to create a new integration. Fill in the required details for your integration. Be sure to give your integration a meaningful name. Select the workspace where you want to use this integration. Make sure to choose the capabilities your integration will need. For a dashboard, ensure you have read and write permissions. After completing the form, click on the Submit button. When your integration is created, take note of the integration token provided. You will use this token to authenticate your API requests. Now, open your Notion workspace in another tab. Go to the page or database you want to connect to your integration. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Find the integration you just created in the sharing settings. Add your integration to the page by clicking on its name. Once added, the integration will have access to the content on that page. Next, you can begin setting up your API requests. Use a programming language of your choice, such as Python or JavaScript. Start by installing the necessary libraries for handling HTTP requests. For Python, you can use the requests library. For JavaScript, you could utilize the Axios library. Compose your first API request to fetch data from Notion. Use the provided integration token in your authorization headers. Structure your request to target the page or database ID you need. Once your request is set up, execute it to see if you can retrieve the data. If successful, you'll see the JSON response containing your Notion data. Now, start building your custom dashboard with the data you have. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.